What's up, guys? Welcome to Mike It Yourself in today's Review Wednesday. Today's video is going to be relatively short because it's I think pretty simple feedback when it comes down to the product we're going to talk about. Damn it! All right, guys. So what I wanted to circle back on for today's Review Wednesday is the backrest. I will never go back. This is by far one of the best things I've done. I've never had a backrest before, and this thing makes the ride experience so much better, especially when you're throttling through things. You're totally comfortable. It's less stress on your back, so it just makes the ride that much more enjoyable. And I was afraid, like, oh, it's gonna make me look like an old man or something like that, but I don't care. It feels that good. Now, this was the cheap model, as I had mentioned in the original video. I think it was like 70 bucks or whatever. It is a little bit of a pain to take off because you do have to, and I modified it, but pull the pin, get that pad off, take off your regular seat, and then undo the lock nut that's there. There are other versions where you just simply pinch some clips and you're able to pull the seat out, which I think is a really good design. Or you can get a better seat. So this is the Harley Davidson stock seat, but you can get a better seat that has the actual back support, and they even have sometimes like a little lump there. So all kinds of designs. This was a cheap one. I just wanted to know whether or not I should invest the money into a actual backrest, and 100% absolutely. If you're on the fence about it, I'm telling you right now, do it. Go cheap if you want, like right up front, test it out. I think you're going to be really surprised with the output, or how comfortable it is and just how good it feels, especially if you've got any kind of power on your bike. You're going to love the fact that you just you feel like you're in a bucket seat. So if you've ever been in a nice fast car, bucket seats make all the difference. So hopefully that input gives you a little bit more or a better idea of whether or not you want to move forward on getting a backrest. I say it's definitely 100% worth it, especially if you're going on any kind of long rides and you're not just scooting around town. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. And if you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit that notification bell. And until that video does come out, I hope to see you in the win.